Boom shakalaka, proof why Bitcoin can do excellent despite equities crashing, plus the face-melting Bitcoin rally in the works, and why Ethereum and Dogecoin are about to moon. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why Bitcoin will soar even as equities crash, and why Ethereum and Dogecoin are about to rally massively. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, greed 62, same as we've been for the last week. The greed has not increased. The overall market up 2% today. Bitcoin at 28,493, Ethereum at 1911, BNB at 314, XRP 51 cents, Cardano 39 cents, Dogecoin 9 cents, Polygon $1.15, and Solana 21.16. And the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning are IOTEX, Anchor Network, Volt Inu, TrueFi, and Ocean Protocol. And if you want to check out token metrics for yourself, use artificial intelligence to pick out coins. There's a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin still just maintaining on the upper band of this bullish trend we've been in since January. No news there. But overall, we see equities like the S&P stocks looking quite bearish. The last two times we had a bearish cross in the quarterly MACD, well, one time was the dot-com bubble back in 2000. The next time was the financial crisis in 2008. It just happened again. Stocks could decline greatly, and people were like, oh no, if stocks go down, Bitcoin and crypto's gotta go down with it, doesn't it? No, turns out it doesn't. You know, for a while during the last bull run, there was a correlation between equities and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now, not so much once again. Everybody who thought that Bitcoin and crypto moves in the same pattern as does equities, well, it may not anymore. As a matter of fact, right now, Bitcoin is a lot more correlated with gold than it is to the S&P historically. That correlation ended towards the end of 2022. And if we compare Bitcoin with gold, we can take a look at this chart from TechDev, how basically Bitcoin has been following gold for the past few years. We have a peak and then a peak, we have a bottom and then a bottom. We have a peak in gold, peak in Bitcoin, bottom in gold, bottom in Bitcoin. Well, we recently had a peak in gold. We have yet to have that peak in Bitcoin. Right now, that would be between $48,000 and $63,000 for Bitcoin for a commensurate peak. And evidence is cropping up that the bottom is in. The Williams VIX indicator catches market bottoms in all classes. We can see when this series flips gray, that means the bottom is already in. And the series has flipped gray, suggesting the bottom is already in for Bitcoin. We have the Bitcoin rebound pattern, where basically just in these parabolic trend lines, we have rebounding up, rebounding down, rebounding up, rebounding down, rebounding up, down. Well, next would be up towards the roughly $50,000 middle, or roughly $100 and some thousand upper band of that. Bitcoin, so many buy signals flashing for Bitcoin. I know every chart right now is looking incredible for Bitcoin. The green bands in the GMMA have crossed the red bands, as we can see right here. This only happened in 2015, back here at this yellow dot, and 2019 at this yellow dot. Wouldn't you like to have bought in at those times? Well, this is the times we're seeing right now. Tough it is as it is to believe, with the most anticipated recession in history, everything is looking phenomenal for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. If we take a look at each time this red line crosses on the pi cycle bottom, it spells the beginning of a bull market. Guess what? We just had a cross. Why is no one paying attention? The beginning of the bull market is happening. Also, if we take a look at the sentiment indicators, changing in inflection right here, we also have an RSI breakthrough. Both of these things indicating bull market beginning. Why is nobody paying attention? Because everybody still wants to buy Bitcoin at $10,000. Not likely to happen. Right now, Bitcoin has stalled a little bit. The Bitcoin Knuckle has entered into the optimism anxiety range after reaching $29,000. We're nearing a range of caution in the belief denial range, where Bitcoin takes a pause, but this is only the beginning. And next is the most important part. The face melting phase 2 rally is coming. Bitcoin is not done. This is just a mere pause, a moment to stack some sats before we have the face melting rally upcoming for Bitcoin, but not only for Bitcoin. If we take a look here, Ethereum just had a major breakout through resistance. We can see when Ethereum broke this downtrend here, look at what happened over the next couple of years for Ethereum. Absolutely rallied massively. We just had Ethereum breaking through this downtrend that was resistance many times, breaking through that downtrend. $2,000 ETH coming soon. Altcoins will follow. Big. Which ones in particular? I don't know about you guys, but I just noticed the load screen on Twitter is a Doge. So does this have some prognostication going on with Dogecoin? Are we about to have some massive breakout? Willy Woo talks about oscillators and degenerators in terms of altcoins. Oscillators go up and down, degenerators just go down. Well, Dogecoin is one of the most likely oscillators out there. It bounces up big time, comes back down, bounces up big time. Well, look at this. We have triangle after triangle about to break out for Dogecoin. Could see some massive moves for Dogecoin, potentially, according to this chart, maybe even a 42 to maybe even 70 some cent Dogecoin. That could be incredible to come. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.